Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to show you an awesome method to make online a beautiful and low competitive niche. And now let's get started. And the first step, just connect to YouTube, and here we can look for an awesome YouTube channel named Weird History. And Weird History, one of the most popular channels that is specialized in history and ancient people and so on. And for sure, Weird History gets a lot of views per video, as you can observe. 90,000, 2,000 and so on. And of course that indicates that there are many people who are interested in history and ancient nations and so on. Thus, first off and right to the bat, if you want to create a YouTube channel that is like Weird History, so go ahead, because this awesome niche gets a lot of views and subscribers. However, in today's video I'd like to show you an awesome method to make money online just by using this niche and this awesome channel. So let's begin with the copying of one of these beautiful videos, like this one, for example, this video that talks about facts about the ancient Maya. So we can copy the link of this video, copy link address, and now we can head over to an awesome website that is so-called aiz.ai. And of course, and I am sure that this awesome website would blow you away, because it's a comprehensive toolbox of AI tools and chatbots. So for example, here you can ask any YouTube video, ask about a website, chat with PDF, and here you can find a lot of content creation tools, AI-driven copywriting assistance, and so on. And the best part here in this awesome website, it's completely for free. So now we can go to app and insert your credentials like name and the password and your email. And now we can go to this dashboard of your account in aiz.ai. And here you can find a lot of views, as I said before. Here you can chat with YouTube video, website or article, PDF, and here you can find a lot of employees or chatbots in your company. So for example, an overview, so we can check this one, ask our assistants. Here you can find a bunch of employees in your company at your disposal, like Super Chat as ChatGPT like tool, social media manager, marketing manager, copywriting, blockchain, customer support, sales executive, secretary, game developer, and so on. And as for our today's topic, in our today's method to make money online, so we can go to PDF or document, and now we can create a new chat, and we can give it name like this one, for example, quickly, Colgate. Perfect. And now we can either upload or drop here your file, or you can add a YouTube video or link of any website. So we can add a YouTube video and Control V the link of your YouTube video, attach as here your video that's about ancient Maya. Perfect. Now we can chat with our YouTube video, like we can get a summary, for example, like a summary, for example. Okay, as you see, a beautiful summary of our YouTube video that's about ancient Maya. Perfect. And of course you can ask it again to give us a more engaging summary, so we can make this perfect, as you see. Excellent. And now let's move on to the next step. Just we can copy the whole script or this summary, copy, and go to this awesome website that's so-called ttsmaker.com. ttsmaker.com. It's an awesome website. It's a from name, just you can convert text to speech to a natural voiceover, and the best part here, it's for free. Here you can find a lot of voice actors in different languages. So for example, if we select English language, so we can test this one, for example.
TTS Maker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
Or this one, for example.
TTS Maker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
And so on and so forth, and they are for free. So now we can paste here our script that we have taken from AIZZ tool in the previous steps. So we Control V, as you see, and now we can convert this summary to a voiceover. So we can select one of these beautiful voice actors, like we can select so Peter or Mason or Tiffany. So we can select Peter. Okay, and now we can insert this code. like this one is 0725 and so on, and convert to speech. And of course you can find here more settings like pitch, the speed of this voiceover and so on. But quickly, just you can click over this button, convert to speech. So you can insert again, convert to speech. As you see,
the ancient Maya civilization, known for their intricate artwork and thriving cities, had a complex culture that included a unique writing system and advanced calendars. Their connection to the
as here with some pauses between sentences and so on to make it more human and so on. And of course you can use this awesome application, this awesome website to make a commercial, to make a promotional video, to promote your affiliate products and services across social media and so on. In a way, you can download this awesome track, MP3 track or this voiceover for free, and you can use it commercially in your projects. And of course, it is not my words, but this awesome website says free for commercial use. You will own 100% copyright of this synthesized audio file. So now we can download this MP3 track or this voiceover. Download. As you see, now we can move on to the fourth step in today's video. Just so we can go to canva.com. Perfect, canva.com, and here in this homepage of Canva, just you can go to video and select TikTok videos. And now let's upload our voiceover. Upload files, as you see. And of course our MP3 track or our voiceover, its duration, it's about 1 minute long. So now we can, in this timeline or this scene in your videos, so we can make it the same duration as much as possible. So we can stretch this one to 1 minute. Okay, this one for example. Perfect. So now we can drag and drop our voiceover into timelines, as you see. So
the ancient Maya civilization, known for their intricate artwork and thriving cities, had a complex.
Perfect. And now we can make a short video here in Canva.com using our voiceover about this historical fact. And so we can separate this entire scene and this entire video into many scenes. How to do that? Just we can go to after 5 seconds, 6 seconds as you want, and then we can click over, right click on your mouse and select split page, as you see. And of course you can do the same process again. So you can go to this one here and split page and so on and so forth here after 5 or 6 seconds in every single scene for your entire video. And here in every single scene, for example this one, so now we can go directly to elements and look for anything about your video. Like in our today's video is about ancient Maya, so here we can look for something like Maya history. Okay, Maya history, and go directly to videos. And then you can find a bunch of videos that are about Maya and ancient people in Maya civilization and so on. So all you have to do is you can drag and drop all these videos one by one. So for example here you can find this one, as you see, and of course we make it shorter, 5 seconds I said before. Okay, no longer, to not be more boring to the audience. And the second one, for example, we can get one of these beautiful ones like okay, and here.
Known for their intricate artwork and thriving cities, had a complex culture that included a unique writing system.
And so on and so forth to make your video here on Canva.com using this library of videos. And now after making your short videos here in Canva.com, just we can make a business page on Instagram. Yes, on Instagram about history and historical events, weird history and so on. Therefore, you can publish your Instagram reels about these videos based on the summaries that I have taken from Weird History channel. And now a good question comes up. How we can make money online by using this method, Riemann? It's simple, just you can use this awesome Instagram Reels by two methods. The first one, just you can work in print on demand and make beautiful designs about this history and this past people and so on. And of course, you can find a lot of print on demand platforms out there like Redbubble, Zazzle, Spreadshirt, Etsy, and so on. Therefore, you can make your designs, upload them in different items and the products, and insert the store link in your Instagram business page. Therefore, many people interact and engage with all your videos, and they go directly to your bio link and purchase your merch. And of course, you can find here in this channel a lot of videos and the playlists that are talking about print-on-demand industry, like Redbubble, Zazzle, Spreadshirt, and so on. Regarding making a lot of designs about history and historical events, so don't forget it, because here in Canva as well, just you can go to canva.com and then you can go directly to elements. Okay, and here you can look for any vector graphics about history about these ancient and past nations, like for Maya history, for example. So you can find a lot of graphics and vectors, so we can go to graphics as you see. So here you can drag and drop all these vectors to make and create your beautiful designs. So many people interact and engage with your videos about Maya, and go directly to your link in bio and purchase your items that have these designs on. Perfect as you see. So the first step, just you can sell your merch using your business page on Instagram. The second method to make money online by using this awesome niche is you can work as an affiliate to some antiques and some relic things, because a lot of people who are interested in these such things and are passionate about them. The best website to work as an affiliate is Etsy.com. You can find a huge department of antiques and vintage things. So many people who are obsessed with these things. So here you can find a lot of antiques, for example. And here you can find huge amounts of items and stuff about ancient people and ancient civilizations and so on, as here for compass, coins, keys, and so on. So of course you can use your Instagram account to sell and to promote these such things. And all you have to do, just you can join this program, it's affiliates and creators. Or you can work an affiliate to Amazon.com. Here you can join this Amazon Associates program and promote a lot of products that are about civilizations and archaeological artifacts and so on. And by the end of the video, thank you for watching. Any questions, leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.